Okay, this doesn't look like it from what I remember, but it's saying I'm here. So I'm gonna cross the street and we're gonna see this is really it. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm bugging. But let's see. I feel like I remember the road being a little wider. Maybe I'm bugging, who knows? No, this is it. This is it. Must be early, which makes me feel some kind of way that I'm the only guy on the street with a camera. So this is what people call soy 6. This is like the experience you can experience when you come through here. This is the experience you can see when you come through here. And this is like one of the biggest attractions, Pattaya specifically. Thailand, everywhere has their like thing. Thailand, everywhere has their thing. But this is like where a lot of people, the reason a lot of people even come. And I say people, not just men. Everybody got their fetish, right? Yeah, this is that soy 6 area that I was mentioning. And it goes for like, it goes to the end of the block. And it's just this one block here. So, there's the whole thing that you can see here. So, it's pretty much the harassment don't stop. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, look. Here we go. Hold on. Damn, I can't even. I'm just trying to walk. This is so good. Got a man behind her driving my ass. Okay. Welcome to Thailand. So I don't even like to. New York. It gets real. Oh shoot. It gets real out here. It really does. And that is soy 6, people. That is the end. pretty much what I wanted to show you. I'm gonna conclude the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everything y'all doing for me. You know, follow me on Instagram, the Canvas Nomad. You can actually go to my store, canvasnomad.com. I appreciate everything y'all do, and I'm signing out. Peace.